Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be reviewing a hairdryer made specifically for curly hair. This is a TYMO AIRHYPE hairdryer, and I'm going to be showing you everything that it brings inside. So when you open it, the first thing that you're gonna see is this little bag, and this is perfect for just storing everything. Once you go ahead and open it, you're gonna see the hairdryer and then 3 attachments. We're going to be using the diffuser. Here's an up-close view of it, and here you can adjust like how long the bristles come out for diffusing. I'm gonna keep the bristles out all the way because since I have longer hair, it just makes it easier. Here are the other 2 attachments just in case you're interested in seeing them up close. It's pretty small, so it's pretty easy to just like hold on to while diffusing because you know you're gonna be here for a while, so you want something that's not too heavy. Now we're just going to test how it sounds just to see if it's really loud or not. Okay, I just want to say this is really strong, and it's actually not that loud. Like, I really expected it to be a lot louder, but it's not loud at all. Go ahead and just put on the attachment. That was pretty easy. There we go. Here in the back, you're going to be able to see like what temperature it's on. In the front, it has these 2 buttons. So the top one is the airflow control, and then the bottom one is the temperature control. So just tested it out, and when you click like the airflow control, it'll let you, go from low, medium, or high. So if I click it once, it'll be at low, twice for medium, and then 3 times for high, and then you'll see it change in the back. I'll just show you that real quick. It also has a cool shot setting that would just be like all the way up. Now we should just get started with diffusing. I love diffusing my hair. It's like one of my favorite ways to like style my hair. So let's see how fast this is. So I'm pretty sure that's the fastest I've ever been able to diffuse my hair. That took me like 15 minutes to do, which is so fast because usually it takes me like 45 minutes to diffuse my hair. It takes forever. My hair is literally completely dry and it's been 15 minutes. I'm literally in shock. I have to just apply some oil to remove like any cast that I have from product. So I'm going to be using the TYMO Smooth and Nourishing Hair Oil. Just a little bit, and I'm just going to put it all over my hair. So this is what my hair looks like. I have great definition, as you can see. My curls look amazing, and I do have a lot of volume. I'm gonna go ahead and separate some of the curls though, because they do have some clumps, but not a lot, which I actually love because one of my biggest problems when doing my hair is that I have too many clumps and I'm not able to get a lot of volume. So with this hairdryer, I was able to get a lot of volume, which I'm very happy about. One of my favorite things was the noise. Honestly, it was not loud at all, and I love that. It means I can use it like at night and not have to worry about it being too loud, because sometimes I like to diffuse my hair at night before I go to bed. It was also very easy to use, and to learn how to use it only took me a few seconds, just playing around with the settings, and I was able to figure it out. I also want to point out that it took me 15 minutes to dry my hair, which is absolutely insane to me. Like, that's crazy. You know, curly hair usually takes a really long time to dry, so when a product can dry my hair very quickly, I love that. Want a little more information on the TYMO AIRHYPE, I'm going to talk about it a little more and just kind of show you guys around, you know, what I was able to learn while using it. All the accessories are magnetic, which is great. They're very easy to just put on. I mentioned this before, but for cool shot, you can just bring it all the way up and you'll see a little snowflake here in the corner next to the temperature, and that's how you know it's on. The diffuser is very strong, but it's not loud at all, which I love. Like I said before, it's my favorite thing about this, that it's not loud. And it also dried my hair really fast, so I also love that. The heat and airflow settings are very easy to adjust, and you'll be able to see everything right here. I feel like this is very like high quality. I feel like you're getting a very high quality product for, you know, a good price. I loved using it. It's very lightweight as well. I don't know if that's something you guys are interested in, but when I look for a diffuser, a hair dryer, that's definitely something that I look into. Look down below in my description box to see any information on the AIRHYPE dryer. I'm going to have a link down there so you guys can check it out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and just make sure to like and subscribe.